Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm doing this eyebrow tutorial. This tutorial is very different because this procedure I've done the foundation, I've put my powder before I'll be doing my brows. So this is another procedure. So guys, I'm just outlining the brow and that is just it. And this procedure, most times I don't conceal the top of my eyebrow. I just outline it very neatly with my eye pencil or my eyebrow filler, guys. So for eyebrow filler, I use Hega and Esther eyebrow gel. It is the bomb. Like, I've used that for like, should I say 4 years or 3 years? It's very good for your eyebrows, guys. You can try them out. I use the shade Toffee. Then for pencil, I usually use my Marbrook eye pencil. It's a very nice pencil in the sense that it's not very dark. It's very good for creating a natural eyebrow. So guys, for my concealer, I use Pro Concealer, but at this point I didn't have the light shade, so I think I was using the Fawn at this point. Like, I didn't have a very bright shade for my under brows, like my brow bone. So guys, that's it. I just highlight my eyebrows after drawing with a pencil and filling with my eyebrow gel, guys.